welcome in another episode of me trying to persuade you to practice Berimbau more. In today's episode we're gonna talk about some advanced sounds of the Berimbau. The basic you guys know, yeah? The Preso, the Solto sound, no stone, and the Chiado sound, which is the buzzing, the hissing. So the advanced sounds I'm gonna talk about today, they're not a rocket science, but if you don't practice them, you're missing out a lot. If you do practice them, they're gonna change how you play the Berimbau. You're gonna sound amazing, you're gonna have more ideas, you will be able to improvise better, and so on. So you're gonna work with the Preso sound first, okay? See what happens if I actually open Cabaça, and when I close it. What if you mix between those? And if you open Cabaça on the every third sound, you have an amazing repique. Now what happens if you mix with doubles? And a bit faster. What is more common to play on the Berimbau, I noticed, is to do the same idea, use the same idea with the Solto sound. What if we mix the Preso and Soltos? Amazing exercises. Try this, guys, try this. The most common advanced sound that probably you're already using is hitting the Solto and then you touch the stone to create the shadow. If you skipped all other advanced sounds on the Berimbau, this one you should not skip, okay? You actually use it in toque de Angola. Check out the tutorial for toque de Angola. I'm talking about this very sound in there. This particular sound is the most commonly sound I use actually in terms of repiques. I'm gonna give you a little demonstration. I'm gonna try to play as slow as possible and then I'm gonna speed up just so it makes a bit more sense. By the way, do you recognize this? Toque de Una also uses this very sound. I want to share with you something that I want to say I came up with, but I'm sure I didn't. But I sometimes use this to kind of add a little bit flavor to when I play on the Berimbau, okay? It's still the Preso sound, but then I push it even more to create a slightly different sound because the string, the wire, is kind of more tensed. It's a little bit like playing on the guitar when you really pull the string, yeah? I guess the difference is barely hearable, but it just makes me feel I'm like on a rock concert when I'm playing Berimbau sometimes. And lastly, the pause. Not playing. Quiet. Shh. Nothing. This is an extremely important and valuable tool when playing on the Berimbau and actually on any instrument. I have a drum kit here, especially when you improvise maybe on the viola, in the roda. I really recommend that you don't just shred on the Berimbau, okay? Play a little bit, do a little pauses here and there, okay? Just to kind of give the space To show you what I mean, I should probably record myself playing Samba do Grande de Angola. And then play the variation on top of it, just to show you the power of the pause. So yeah, as you could hear, I'm not a music producer, okay? This was just doing on the fly, but I hope you get an idea, okay? I'm gonna stop here. I hope you learned something. I hope you found any value in this. I think this is quite important stuff. This is how I perceive the berimbau. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.